This is a video demonstration of the Indian traditional cast on. The end of the yarn is held double, which is used to cast on the stitches. We make a slip knot with the double strand. The slip knot is then transferred to the knitting needle, which is held in the left hand for the purpose of the cast on. The working end of the yarn is tensioned on the big toe of the foot like this. To make a stitch, we make a loop with the double strand, pick a loop from the working yarn, transfer it to the needle and then pull the double strand. Make a loop, pick a loop from the working yarn, transfer it on the needle and pull the double strand. Make a loop. The working yarn is already tensioned, so we don't need to worry about that. It's only the double strand that needs to be pulled to tighten a stitch. Now you will observe that the edge with this kind of cast on is a very smooth and sturdy edge. It gives a beautiful look to the cast on stitches and it gives a very sturdy appearance to the edge of your garment. Now we'll knit the first row. When you knit the first row, the last stitch of the first row, which was the slip knot that we had made with the double strand, will be a stitch with two strands. Remember to knit it as one stitch. This kind of cast on is excellent for sweaters and cardigans, but is not advised for garments or accessories which need a certain amount of flexibility like caps and socks. See, this last stitch is a double strand. It has to be knit like one stitch. I hope you've understood the Indian traditional cast on, and I'm sure you'll want to try it on your next project.